If that, then 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 we do this business about uh, oops. Then we do this business about about the edict. E key, not an edict. Wait, edict E key? What do we care about edict? No, not edict E key. Cur of actions A key, right? No, just cur. No, just A key. Just A key. If A key, not in adict, uh, then adict A key equals 1, else adict A key A key plus equals 1. Alright, cool. What's not cool here? Invalid syntax. Oh, I forgot to close the braces. Yep. Alright, save that. Cool. Alright, so now this should work. Oh, that's cool of you to show Vanicus. Well, have a good time. Drive safe, and or travel safe. All right, so multi. So like chocolate, red velvet. Oh, I'm not. Oh, wow! I just remembered something. I'm actually gonna do it right now because it's actually pretty important. Is for these for all these for these regex things, we're not actually going to add in just li. It'll actually be lower because we want it to be all lowercase because we don't want these to be case sensitive. How do I do that? I think it's just lower, right? String lower. Yeah. Alright, so li dot lower. Yes. And then we have to do that in write-in, for write-ins too. Wait, what? Oh, edict name research one dot lower. Yeah. Alright. Save that. Alright, and then I'm gonna restart the bot actually because I want to test this out too. Alright, so chocolate, red velvet, and coconut. Multi Excelsior. Alright, so chocolate, red velvet, coconut. So chocolate. Oh, whoops. Pound chocolate. Accepted. Sweet. And this is gonna start showing up here. Please, please, please. Yeah, look at that. Alright, cool. So then red velvet should work also. Accepted. So now is it gonna cool. Alright, so now if I unsubscribe chocolate. Haha! Alright, so chocolate, coconut. Ooh. Alright, good, yeah. I forgot if I remembered actually to. Right, no, because I'm not breaking on it anymore. Alright, cool. So now if I. Red velvet, coconut. I actually don't like chocolate that much, so I'm just going to vote for red velvet and coconut. And hopefully those will go up to 2. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What happened there? I don't know what that means. I unsubscribe from Coconut. Or, wait, what? What is happening? Alright, so something's clearly not right. It's getting accepted, right? Yeah, it is. So I wonder which half is messing up. I wonder if it's just displaying wrong, or if it's actually if the data is actually wrong. I guess I can. Oops, sorry. Right. I unsubscribe from Coconut. That's so weird. Yeah, I don't know what's happening there. Oh, sorry, yeah, Syngender's link. Yes, here's Syngender's link. Actually, I'm gonna add that to my list of stuff to check out because I am interested to see how you made that too. Cliffhanger. So, alright, yeah, let's figure out what's going on here. Yeah, at the start of all of this, let's before we do all of this stuff, let's do for e key in edict wait, is values one of them? Yeah, values. Alright, so actually say eval in edict.values print eval as a string, or str eval. I don't know if that actually works, because this is a tuple, so I don't know if it's going to be happy about that. At least in the case of multi, it'll be a tuple. Oh, so I'm going to put this inside multi, because we don't need to see it for the other case. Alright. So save that. Yeah, so is it the data that's wrong, or is it that the summation that's wrong? Let's find out. So multi, red, blue, green, Excelsior, so red, blue, so true, true, false. Whoa. It's setting it. Oh, I think I know what's happening. Yeah, I bet I know what's happening. I bet I know what's happening. Is this squonky thing that I'm doing is not legit. Not legit. Not sufficiently legit. Yeah. So I'll do something slightly different, squonky. Still squonky, it's just a different type of squonky. We can say what? We can say, alright, so yeah, where we used to have multi-act, we're going back to multi-IT. And we're just going to say multi-IT plus equals 1. And yeah, multi-IT. Yes, there we go. Oh, except this isn't actually a thing, so we have to make it a thing. Save that. So now we go back down to our multi-act was, and get rid of multi-act. Oh, we never got rid of multi-IT. Delightful. Alright, so now what we have to do is, right, so we can't just say edict name equals multi-act. We have to say edict name equals tuple, and then for I in range 0 to multi IT edict name dot append false, capital F false. Save that. Alright, let's see if that works better. I think the rest stays the same. So, whoa, low, go, multi, Excelsior. So, whoa, and go. Cool. Alright, yeah. It's just because I was using the same tuple to set them both, they were both addressing the same tuple. But now they are their own tuples. And they don't need no. They're strong, independent tuples, and they don't need no. I don't know what. Template, I guess. Alright, so then let's make sure the rest of it works. So, whoa. And, go. Wait. Oh, whoops, yeah, no. I undid that. Alright. And then, what was the other one? Low. Low. And whoa again. Am I gonna get chat filtered? No. Alright, good. And then you can also do low. Wait, what? Okay, good. It's just taking a little while to update. Alright, cool. You can also do low and oh yeah, the multi-set. Whoa. What do you think? Yeah, cool. It seems to be working. Alright. Good times had by all. And now the scoring system. Now we shall change the scoring system. How? How shall we change the scoring system? No, it's because everyone's going to read it. Everyone's so busy reading chat. Everyone's so busy reading your reading over what you wrote. They're just all trying to absorb it and like taking it in. No, I mean that could be true, but the real answer is that chat is like the tide. Sometimes it swells and everyone's like blah 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 blah, blah chatter, a buzz, and then sometimes it just goes back down. Yeah, I didn't understand that for a while when I first started streaming. I thought something was going wrong when chat got quiet, but no, it's just how it goes. People get talkative sometimes, and then there are quieter times other times. Alright, so I can stop printing these things. I can stop printing accepted, because I don't need to see that all the time, every time. And I can stop printing these things. Hey, nearly delicious. How's it going? This is like Binry 2.0. I just got slightly updated visuals. Yeah, it's all the fun of the Binry you know and love, but now with now now with a little bit of cloth draped around his neck. So yeah. Hey, how's it going? Welcome. Oh, that's also true. It's actually not a shirt. It's just a bib. Like it literally like it only comes down like just slightly off camera. It's just like a little It looks like a shirt though, doesn't it? It's a very convincing illusion, right? Sinjender, thank you for hanging out. Congratulations on your bot, and yeah, thank you for spending some time. I hope to see you again sometime. Yeah, have a good one. Um, hmm, hmm, hmm. So scoring, right? Yeah, scoring. Uh, oh yeah, not just scoring, but like concluding these events. Because now we have to do something very similar for right. So like before we were doing this to tally results, but then we also do this at the end of the event as well. So we need to basically copy this whole template and do it again in another place, another time in another place. All right, so this is it, right? Yeah. Yes. Oh, am I doing a total correctly? I forget. Whoa, how about that? Uh, uh, so tab, 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 and then yeah, a total. Okay, good. I am doing a total correctly. All right, and that might just work because it was almost literally the same thing in both places. So now we're totaling things correctly, and now for point attribution. Oh, how are we gonna do this? Because now, oh, this one's a little more interesting, I guess, because now, I guess for each player we can just loop over bdicts. Yeah, for each player. Yeah, so I guess we could have looped in either direction last time. Yeah, whatever. I don't care. um, huh. Anyways, right. So now when we're doing the points totals, it's a little bit different. It's like most of this stays the same. It's just the part where we add players' scores that is a little bit different. Right, because we can no longer take for granted the idea that the pedict no no that edict e keys will be as simple. So I think this is the only place that we would touch it, right? Just here. Yeah, just in this section here. So E key not in pdict, that's all fine. So it's just this line here that has to change. So if oops, this is down here. If cur ev dot multi we'll do something, and then else we will do what we used to do. Because if cur ev multi, then b b b b b b. So pb equals 0. PV equals 0. Actually, let's say 0.0 PB, because we want to do float math on this. So I guess it doesn't really matter, but whatever. So, yeah, no, whatever. Okay, so PV. So now for a key in cur ev dot actions, yeah, dot keys. Yeah, cur ev dot actions dot keys, pren, colon, This is all a while loop. This is all while true. Is that what you were commenting on? Oh, were you talking about your own project? Yeah. So wait, 234. Oh yeah. I guess yeah. You could have been talking about mine. What about it? What about it? You got a problem with that? All right. So for a key in crev.actions.keys. Sorry. Right, we're going to check a few things. We have to check if if edict e key index crev actions a key crev actions index a key then pb plus equals bdict a key and PV plus equals 1. So we're going to do is average all of the bonuses, and so we're keeping track of how many bonus points were gotten and how many votes were bid. How many so like what's the grand total across how many whatevers. And then and then the last thing we're going to do is say that what are you doing? PV equals float. Actually, no. Int. Oh no. Okay, so int floor float. Int floor float PV divided by PV. Is that what we want? Floor. Wait, what's the actual floor? Wait, what's the problem with PV plus equals 1? Oh, did I just say plus equals L? Plus equals 1. I might have said plus equals L. Whoops. Alright, so what is actually floor? Jesus with Amp. Hey, how's it going? Welcome to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. Floor. Math floor. Math.floor. Yes. So math.floor. Yes. Math. What? Is it capital M math? Or do I have to import math? Wait, no. I'm doing floor somewhere else, right? I'm doing like round somewhere else. So should I not do floor? Oh no, wait, no. I shouldn't do floor at all. I should do round. Which I am doing elsewhere, so I should be able to do without having to import anything. So rounds, is that better? Or is it lowercase r round? Lowercase r. I'm doing this already, so this should be legit. But how am I doing this? Oh, there we go. Alright, so that works. Alright, yeah. That makes enough sense, I think. Cool. So I guess it's a little weird how oh yeah, no, I'm not actually done yet. Because I have to do p key plus equals. Wait, what? Oh, crev actions. Oh, No, that's not true. It's just one. Oops. Yeah, no, cur-ev actions, edict, e-key. No, it's just one. Because it used to be that way, but now all actions are worth 1 point. Because those are just for participation, just for taking a valid action. Oh. Sorry, Jesus with an MP7. Welcome. Thank you for tuning in. I'm sorry for mispronouncing your name. I do that a lot, and I also take mispronunciation requests. So if you want to hear me mispronounce anything, feel free to request it in chat. I haven't yet. Oops. Yeah, I don't know. I have watched the previous ones in the series, so it's kind of a guilty pleasure, I guess. I'll probably watch it at some point, but yeah, I haven't gotten to it yet. I like some of the songs on the soundtrack though. I have been listening to those, and there's like a Chemical Brothers track on the soundtrack. I think I don't know if it actually shows up in the movie anywhere, but was it Mockingjay is the current one, I think. Mockingjay, Chemical Brothers. I'm actually gonna play it on stream because I don't tend to do that. But don't they? I feel like they have a song called like Revolution or something. Hold on, I'm looking it up on my other computer. Videos. What? Just tell me the name of the song, please. Why is this? I don't know why this is being so difficult. Nope. Alright, I think that's the song then. I forgot to turn off the volume on my other computer. Anyways, Google it. It's I don't know. I like it. It's catchy. It's like, I don't know. Mockingjay is not out in the US. Is that true? I can check. I thought it was out already. Oh, maybe it's not. Huh. Oh, that's funny. Alright, so I guess I haven't missed it yet. It's gotta be soon though, right? Sorry, this is suddenly very important to me. Oh yeah, no, it doesn't come out for another, what is that, 6 or 9 days or something? I can't read it. It's on my other screen. It's really tiny. Oh no, 0. Oh no, it comes out tomorrow. That says 0 days. All right, yeah, no, it comes out in 6 hours where I am. Oh right, and so people who are in a time zone 6 hours ahead can see it already. Right. All right, I get it. It's all coming together now. All right, yeah. Yep, you got it. You called it. I kind of lost track of that, but yeah, good call. All right, so now I need to do something similar. In this case, I'm going to do PD key +1 plus PB, and that will be how we calculate score in multi. So it's going to be a little weird in the way the scores present, like the way that. Because the way, like the format for like the score presentation is like, most of you have seen it before. It's like it goes like, you find more riches than you can carry. Perfect coffer +4 experience. So like if this happened and it was multi and it was if this happened and it was like multi and like there were multiple options and like someone had taken both of them, it would say like you find more riches than you can carry, perfect coffer +4 experience, 1 adventure, perfect relic +4 experience, 1 adventure. But that adventure is actually only getting 4 experience. They're not getting 8 experience. So slightly weird, but I don't know. I'm gonna say that's fine enough, good enough for my tastes. So, yeah. Yeah. Let's, let's, this chat is so weird. Let's see if this works now. So we will do an event. It'll be event type 0. No, for starters, let's do event type 2, because that one's easy to control the calculation of. And so we'll say, like, low, go, no. Whoops, that was not a pound sign. How'd that get in there? Excelsior. Alright, so low, go, and low. So the way this should work is that Alright, so wait, what? Oh, I forgot to set multi. Whoops. Yay, perfect, whatever. So type 2 multi create event. Alright, so low, go, and then just low. Alright, so that should update with logo and just low. Right, good. So now the way the math should work here, oh no, yeah, so I should do stats on both these players to see what the stats are. So Binri has 311, and Binri Bot has a number that we'll find out. Binri Bot has 254. So the Journey Bot said just low, or excuse me, Binri Bot said just low. So that should get a perfect score. No. That should be worth... How do we do the math here? Yeah, that should be worth, so that should be worth 2/3 of 2 points. So 4/3. Alright, this is gonna be a little weird. So JourneyBot should get 4/3 of the total score. I have to write this down. So 4/3. 4/3 is the bonus. So 1.33333. So that should round to 1. So Journey Bot should get nice. Binri Bot should get nice. Binri should get this. Plus, so because Binri also said low, but Binri also said go. So go should be worth 0.66666. And so that should be equal to 2 altogether, divided by 2 for participating 2 things. All right, so this math is pretty simple. Equals 1. So they should this rounded down should also equal 1. So they should actually both get 1 point for this. Although it will say low is nice, and it'll say go. No, it'll say they're both nice. All right. Well, this was actually really simple. What? Oh, or just crash. Key error? Wait. bdict a key? Oh, we're not populating bdict properly. Yep, that would be a thing. The other thing we have to do here is this, or bdict. Yep, bdict. Yep. A key equals 0. Yep. Yeah. Forgot about that step. All right. But we'll do the same thing, and oh yeah. Sorry. Jesus with a MP7. Catch ya later. I hope to see you again sometime. Enjoy the film. You probably left already, but whatever. Okay. So yeah, let's do that again. So multi low go no Excelsior low go and low. So 2 votes for low, 1 vote for go, and then they should each get 1 point. Cool. Nice and nice. And so now they should each have 3 points more than they had before. So it's 314. Good. And 240, 257, 258. Wait a second. Oh, did someone get initiative? Oh. Oh, yeah, Binary Bot got initiative. I was like, what? Oh, no, Binary should have gotten initiative. No, if anything, Binary should have gotten initiative, not Binary Bot. What happened there? Let's try that one again. Alright, so Binary has 314, and Binary Bot has 258. So let's do the same event. And avoid the initiative bonus to the extent possible. That should be fairly easy. So low and go. I think the initiative. Oh no, it's 30 seconds, isn't it? Is it? I forget. Is it 30 seconds now? No. Okay, so it should be long gone by now. All right. So low go, and just low. All right. So now it should update to 2 points for low, 1 point for go. Come on. Yeah, there you go. All right, and then conclude event. They each get 3 points. Stats. 258. What? 258 to 263? That's way too many points. What about you? 314 to 316? What? That's way too few points. What on earth is happening here? What, pray tell, is happening here? Huh. I assume it's in this this math at the end here, where we sum these up and huh. So PB as a float gets divided by PV, it gets rounded, it becomes an integer. Alright, let's try printing PB. Print E key plus P string PB. Yeah. Save that. Because I assume it's just this math that's going wrong. So multi low go no Excelsior. Oh yeah, I kind of want to avoid the initiative bonus. It's probably over by now. Probably. So low and go. Conclude events. Binary bot 1, binary bot, or binary 1, binary bot 1. So stats. Stats. Binary is getting 2 every time. Binary bot is getting 4 every time. What the heck? Is that, maybe that has nothing to do with multi. Maybe that's just like a a bug that I hadn't noticed before because I wasn't paying close enough attention to score. So, no. I'm resetting PB and PV to 0 each time. So it's not just that they're getting like an unfair boost for going second or anything. Again, that wouldn't even make sense, really. Huh. Yeah, I have to assume that this is just a bug that doesn't have anything to do with multi. So, create event, low, go, no. Whoops, I didn't mean to. Oops. Low, go, no. Oops. Oh, no. Whoa, it's just auto-concluding. That's weird. That's weird. Why is it doing that? Well, that was good to find. Alright, so, gosh, it always feels so late now that it gets dark so early. Excuse me. Alright, so, what was it about to do? Oh yeah, the conclude stuff, because that's weird. I guess, when I initiate an event, I'll just make sure that conclude event is false. It seems reasonable, right? Because I never want an event to conclude as soon as it's initiated. And conclude event is the thing, right? Yeah. Yeah, so I had a mechanism by which I could conclude events, and it just seemed to be misfiring. I guess maybe conclude event got reset. Yeah, it got reset. Huh. No, it should have gotten set back to false when I concluded the event. Or when the event got concluded. Oh. Oh, I was setting cur_ev.conclude event equals false. No, it's just conclude event. It's not cur_ev.conclude event. Whoops. Alright, so that's silly. And that was why that was happening. So I don't have to do it up here. I can just do it down there. Or should I just do it up there? Nah, I'll just do it. I'll just do it that one place. Alright, that was funny. Yeah. Brain. Alright, now let's just test general scoring. So like, same thing, low, go. Actually, no, we don't even need multiple things this time. Actually, nah, yeah, we should. Alright, so low, go, Excelsior, low. Actually, no, you'll be low, you'll be go. What programming language would I recommend for beginners? That's a good question. Oh, excuse me. I don't know if this is still valid, but no, I don't know. Hold on, that's a good question. Because I know how I learned, but I don't know if people even still use the thing that I learned with anymore. Let me do a quick check. Because yeah, gosh, no. What I used to do was probably it's probably long gone. Gosh, what is a good one to learn with? I actually have no clue because it was so long ago that I learned, right? Nearly delicious might be right. Yeah, I guess find one with a like go with a really popular one. Find one that you're gonna have a lot of you're gonna find a lot of documentation for it and a lot of like other people using it, and so you're gonna be able to find like a lot of other people who can help you through whatever problems you'll encounter. Because yeah, if you do those things, then it'll make the learning experience that much easier. If you pick like something really obscure and like if you choose like a weird engine that no one else uses, then like that's you're gonna have a really hard time, like a really hard time. So, um, yeah, I'm tempted to say like go with like the most popular one you can find. Um, I I know like I work in C sharp a lot, and I know that when I oh actually well no yeah no I don't again like yeah a lot of my advice in terms of like for beginners it's been a long time since I was a beginner, so everything's really different from the last time I was a beginner. Sorry. um, I want to say C sharp, but that might be because my background is in C languages. I know it was really easy for me, but again that might be just be because my background was in C languages. So yeah, I'm gonna stick with the thing about like resources, like learning resources. Find one that's really popular that has like a wealth of information about it, because that way you'll never be too lost. Yeah. uh, all right, yeah. So let's finish this test. Uh, um, C sharp and C++ are basically the same thing. So like, if you learn one, you'll know them both basically. All right, so stats, uh, stats. Oops, stats. All right, so binrybot 272 last time, 276 or 267. Whoa, what? 267? Wow, that was a lot of points. And then Binri has 320. Yeah. Oh wow, that's funny. Binri just always gets way fewer points than binrybot. That's so weird. What's that about? Uh, what is IWN? I don't know what that is. But oh, well, yeah, you should probably figure out what you want to do first. Because I don't know, maybe some people can learn in the abstract, but I can't. So I'd say figure out a project first, and then learn whatever you need to do to make that project, I guess. Sure. I will decline to point out that I dislike Python. Oops, I said it. Sure. No, seems fine. Go for it. Follow your heart. Uh, what the heck is happening with with this uh, this weird business? I have no clue. Hey, nearly delicious. What's up? Pie game news? Ugh. I mean, sorry. There's still an active project that's actually getting there. How is there news on that project? Here's some news for them. Their docs suck. Fix their docs. There's a news flash for them. Their docs needs to get fixed. Sorry, I'm not bitter. Uh, just a little salty. Sorry. Um, so, yeah, this scoring thing is dumb. What the heck? All right, let's find all the instances where we change, where we save out p data. Or no, anytime we change pdict. So let's find all references to pdict. So That's where we load it in. That doesn't seem to be wrong. Uh, reading it in doesn't seem to be wrong. All right, so pdict name plus equals ldict key. Oh, yeah, this is the late bonus. So actually, yeah, so in this case, let's say pdict or print late plus stir the string of the pdict name and plus a space plus string of what we're adding, which is this ldict key. Actually, I guess it's always worth 1 point, so we don't have to use ldict key anymore. We can just use we can just say 1. Oh no. Well, that was weird, but yeah. Anyways, Max Meyer, thank you for watching. It was a pleasure to have you. I hope to see you again sometime. Have a wonderful sleep. Sleep well. Huh. There are like things that you say to people in that context, and I can't for the life of me remember. Sweet dreams. No, sorry. No, that was rude. Anyways, yeah. All right. So the other thing, we also want to print name. Plus, I doubt this is what was messing up, but I think this is also better. So, what's invalid here? Not enough parentheses. There we go. That's valid. Oh no, I forgot a plus sign. Oops. There we go. That's valid. Yeah, there we go. Alright, so pdict. So now, basically in every place that we might be modifying pdict, I'm going to add in a shout out so that we can see what is happening. I'm writing Journey in Python because I have to. No, I don't literally have to, but like, it was the best option I saw when I was evaluating options for the project. Although, apparently, like Syngender apparently made a bot in C#, which seemed entirely competent. So I probably should use that instead. And at this point, it's too late to port over, but I don't know. Like I was saying before, like if you don't know how to do something, like follow the path that other people have blazed before you. And when I was looking up how other people made programs of this nature, like programs of similar technology, like the overwhelmingly popular option was Python. And so I don't really regret my decision in that regard because I was able to get this bot up and running like in a matter of hours. And that was incredibly easy. It's been a little frustrating since, but that's how I ended up there. Yeah. Like, in hindsight, I don't know if I would have made the same choice again, but I don't know. It's working. So it's hard to argue with the results. Right, so more pdicts stuff. So now let's print what is this? Initiative, or INTV, plus I key, right? Yeah. Plus I key, plus whatever, 1. Yeah. Alright, so now we'll be able to keep, once I'm finished checking this up, we'll be able to keep track of everything that's happening to this p data, and we'll be able to see where whatever is going wrong is going wrong. There aren't very many other places where this gets affected. Yeah, like these are the only 2 other places, really. Gosh, yeah. How on earth could that be happening? Pdict, or excuse me, print. Oh, I already have this print in place. So multi plus e key plus, yeah, or yeah, I'll do string 1 plus pb, because yeah, that's the convention I've been following so far. And then finally, print act e key, and then not 1 plus pb, but 1 plus this business. Alright, so now we should be able to figure out why points are all weird. Alright, so 2. Excelsior. I wonder if it's only event type 2, or actually I'm going to do stats again one more time. So, alright, 320 stay the same. This should be 272. If it's anything other than 270, 271. What? How'd that happen? That's weird. That's really weird. Like, how did he lose points? There's no mechanism by which you would lose points. I guess the only explanation there is that it didn't save points properly. So I'll just have to watch out for that, I suppose. Alright, so what is this event that's going on? 2. So this is event type 2. Now there should be 2 people who said 2. 2 people, right? 2. Update. Yeah, there you go. So when we conclude event, they should both get 4 points. And then they should each have 4 more points than they had. Stats. Except this one got 3 points, or 6 points somehow. So, but it only print 3 for each of them. Oh right, no, it only print 3 because because there is one other place where points get added. Right. Pdict e key plus 1. So I guess it could hypothetically be this one. And this is just simply presence. Alright, so am I forgetting any others? There really shouldn't be any others. The only other thing that should happen is like saving and loading. But we can be pretty sure this bug does not have to do with saving or loading, because Well, I mean, there seems to be something up with saving and loading, but this one happened while it was running. It went right from 271. They got 4 points, and then they went to 277. So that's not. That is cheating, frankly. Alright, so start this over. Event type 2. 2. Excelsior. So yeah, let's do stats again. So. Oh. No. Well. Alright, he got 3 points last time. And did you lose a point again? Yeah, Benribot keeps losing a point. So maybe like one of his points is just an illusion. Maybe it's not. Maybe somehow. Yeah, no, I don't know what that's about. I have no clue what that's about. Alright, so anyways, 2 and 2. So this should go up to 2. I mean, I really don't have to wait for this to go up to 2. Alright. Conclude event. 4 points apiece. Oh yeah, look at that. Benribot's getting an extra point. But for one thing, it's only listing 1 extra point. It's only saying it's happening twice. So he's getting the presence bonus twice? Why? Why would... Why? For P key and pdict keys. How is he in here twice? I mean, the only explanation there is that Benribot is in pdict keys twice. But oh, because I'm using E key. No, I'm using E key there. No, I am using E key. All right, that's ridiculous. Yep, P key. And that would also... Would that explain why one of the points was an illusion? No, the illusion point... Well, who knows what is happening there. But, alright, so that explains that. Yeah. Alright. That's silly. So that should be fixed now. Something there should be fixed. Let's see what's happening now. Alright, so first order business, let's do stats for everyone. Benri has 326. Alright, so also the lack of presence bonus would explain why Benri was getting too few points, because only 1 character was ever actually getting any presence awards. So, alright, 281 versus 326. So, event type 2, whoa, Excelsior, whoa, oh, I don't want to get the initiative bonus necessarily. Just keep it as simple as possible. Blammo. Whoa. Whoa. So now it's just populated with 2. Yep. Conclude event. And now they should each have gotten... Oh, JourneyBot. JourneyBot is such a cheater. But it's also... Oh, right. That's why Benribot was getting so many points. Alright, so now... That's funny. Yeah. No, JourneyBot got a point for being there. It's how it goes. So... that's funny. Alright, so now, yeah, let's check stats to make sure that's correct, too. So 281 up to 285, that's correct. Stats, 326 up to, how about 330? 330 would be nice. 330! Alright, cool. So that was funny, and now it's fixed. So, good. And the reason the point, oh man, that would have taken a while to figure out because like the bug would have gone away. No, it wouldn't have gone away, but it would have changed depending on how many people were in the room. So that's fun. Or it might have gone away if someone else became alphabetically superior to Binrybot. I think the reason, or alphabetically posterior. No, because like yeah, that was all about just based on how E key looped, whichever one happened to be left as the E key at the end. Yeah. Oh, and that's why some of the data wasn't saving because it was using P key correct. Um, it was using P key correct to write the data. It just wasn't using P key, or it wasn't using P key correct to add the data. Yeah, that's delightful. And it's fixed. So. So now is multi done? Multi might be done now, because that was like the last weird thing, right? Oh, well, we haven't really fully tested it, but that's the weirdest thing that we know about. That was the weirdest thing that we know about. So all right, let's do something that makes more sense to multi, because like 2 gave silly scoring. So 3, yeah. So 3 Excelsior. Oh. The math here. Is the math here going to be weird? Because I was just thinking about the simple case again. All right, no. No, this should be straightforward. Whoops, I didn't mean to start the event. Event over. Event concluded. All right, so no multi with 2 options. Event type 3, 2 options. Or wait, no. Do I want to do event type 4? I think I want to do event type 4, right? Yeah, event type 4 actually. 2 options: high and low. Create event. All right, so I don't want to get the initiative bonus. I mean, I guess it doesn't really matter, but so whoops. Binrybot is going to say hi, and Binry is going to say high and low. I think that's enough time to miss the initiative bonus. So now we should get 2 votes for high, 1 vote for low. And so let's do the math before we conclude the event. So yes, there are 3 votes altogether. So high is going to come in at 66%, which is sufficient for the nice bonus, I think, if I recall correctly. It might miss all bonuses. No, I think it's sufficient for the nice bonus. And then low will come in at 33%, which is sufficient for the perfect bonus. How's that going to work? Oh, it might come out to... They might both end up with perfect, because nice plus... Nice is 1, and perfect is 2. So... Oh, wait, no. No, they won't both come out with perfect. Journeybot should come... Or, excuse me, Binry should come out with perfect, because nice and perfect averages out to perfect. But... No, Binrybot only got nice, so yeah, so Binrybot should get plus 3 points, right? Yeah, Binrybot should get plus 3 points, and Binry should get plus 4 points. So conclude event. So right, those worked out as expected, and so now stats. Whoops, stats. 85 to 88, good, 3 points. And then stats 330 to 334 maybe? Yeah, how about that? All right. I mean, further testing will prove whether that works in all cases, but for now it seems to be working. So, yeah, I can take out those prints now. Hey, Vordlow's got a point. You're in, yeah, if you just hang out in Journeybot chat right now, you get points just for being there. So So what else? Oh, maybe he might have been there the whole time, and then right, because I wasn't letting the events. Oh yeah. So actually, I want the event intro to never be less than like I don't know, like 10, 20 seconds or so, because otherwise it won't happen. Like there won't be like we won't get the join messages for the channel. At least not all of them. We're not guaranteed to get them. So, yeah. Oh, I should test that thing that I wanted to test now. I should test the thing. Wait a second. There's no active event, and yet the auto events aren't playing either. Like it didn't fall back to. What what's that about? Oh, because we're never setting event time. Are we setting event time correctly? In the case that we conclude the event, no, this is not. It's not this case. I was in. Oh yeah, no, we're not. No, event time. Yeah, event time. Frame time. Oh, event timescale is event. No, event timescale should be getting set correctly. What is it? What is event cooldown? Did I accidentally set it to something absurdly high? No, it's only 15. So why are we not doing? Why are we not seeing the? Why are we not seeing those? I mean, I guess we can just look at what are the current state of variables. So like event time. I don't know. That's like an arbitrary number. Oh yeah, frame time. So I mean, event time is way lower than frame time. Oh, current event. Yeah, because the current event is was a live event, so it's never actually looking for. So what do we do about that? I guess when we're done with the event, we could just deactivate its liveness, just make it inert. I guess. Seems kind of funny. Or right, because we're getting to the point where we're checking if event if no not that. Wait, is this it? Yeah, if not cur event live, like it's never evaluating because it keeps waiting. Wait, why are we even? Oh, right, yeah, okay. So yeah, I guess we can just deactivate the liveness of the last event. Makes enough sense, I suppose. Alright, so oh yeah, also yeah, we can get rid of this because we can just say yeah, get rid of that and just say cur of multi equals false, which could be a redundant statement, but whatever. Cur of live equals false. Alright, so that should do it. Yeah. So now, if we run one of our little like whatever events, Excelsior, cool. Oh, I should have made it. Actually, no, this isn't an appropriate test case. So delay events. So like clerg, create event, clerg, cool, registered, yeah, Alright, so now we conclude the event, and now it should go back to normal. Oh, cool. I think it actually waited 15 seconds, too. Or it waited more than, like, 2 seconds, which is nice. Did it? Or was I just getting really impatient, and the passage of time seemed really slow? Either way, it worked. Enough. It worked-ish. It was reminiscent of working correctly, so... alright. Event cooldown times event time scale. Event cooldown. Are these not seconds? I assume these were seconds. But like that, I don't know. Actually, yeah, I'm gonna try that again. So conclude event concluded. Oh yeah, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Alright, so that was probably, I was counting slow, so that was probably 15 seconds. I was late to start counting and I was counting slow, so that's probably 15 seconds. Alright, so that's probably working correctly now. Cool. Alright, so those were the features that I got distracted by. Oh no, I still haven't gotten right in and multi to work together yet. Oh, so how am I gonna do this? I think it's a third case. I think there's gonna be like non-multi, there's gonna be multi, and there's gonna be right in multi. I think that's how I'm gonna do it, because like for right in multi, I think I'm just gonna make it so that you can't unvote. With regular multi, you can unvote, but for right in multi, that is not an option. For right in multi, it's just the simplest way I can think to do this is just there's a dictionary, and anyone can add words to the dictionary, and that's basically the gist of it. So there'll be a little extra complexity in that it's a new case that's handled separately and differently, but it's a very simple case, so it should be very straightforward as well. But the summations. Wait, I might want to do this differently because of the summations. So, no, yeah, this is doable. Oh, this is kind of fun. Kind of. Oh, this is interesting. Yeah. Ooh, is this gonna be intense? Because like it might get to be too much. So maybe I shouldn't. Maybe I shouldn't worry about this. Maybe I should just do something simpler instead. And by simpler, I mean a dictionary of dictionaries. Simpler. Simple. uh, is a dictionary of dictionaries also going to be ridiculous? And if I'm doing a dictionary of dictionaries for this, should I just do a dictionary of dictionaries for all multi-cases? No, that's excessive. I bet. That's the point at which this is excessive. Maybe? I don't know. I don't know a better way to do it, I don't think. I mean, I could use like a... No. Maybe I just won't support it together. Maybe there's just no multi write-ins for now. I think. Yeah, I might just worry about that later. I'll write a note to myself so I can hopefully remember to come back to it at some point. But no, I don't feel like I have to do that right now. So for journey, oh, A-list. Who knows if A-list was a bit excessive, but I do know that I fixed it. Done. Oh, so I didn't actually need a new column. Whatever. Journey, multi-write-in. Not yet a thing. Someday a thing? Oh. Wait. Oh, yeah. Right, so if I tried... So if I accidentally click those two options at the same time, right now it'll break. So I should override that. Uh, I'll uh, I'll I'll just do it in a hacky way for starters, and then one day I'll be like, why isn't it working correctly? And I'll have to remember why it's not working correctly. Um, uh, right, because I only want to do this if for now I only want to do this if write in not equals if yeah. Wait, what is this? Oh, whoops. You're supposed to be further indented. Yeah. All right. So right now, those things just don't mean anything together, and then I'll have to figure out what I want to do later on. Hmm. I could just basically change everything I just did. How bad is the dictionary of dictionaries, I wonder? It feels bad. Like, I don't want to do that. Do I have any real reason to not want to do that? I don't know. It just feels wrong. Well, I don't know. Let's look up some of this stuff, see how realistic it is. Because I'm just going on a hunch right now, so dict. Iterable? So a positional argument. Oh, okay. Excuse me. So you can make a dictionary out of like another thing. It's kind of convenient. Junior still chugging away. Alright, so whoa. Sorry, never mind. I was just looking at a thing. But I was stop looking at the thing. Alright, so yeah, sorry. Uh, I I don't know, maybe I'll just do this. Maybe I'll just try it. Why not? If things get weird, then things will get weird. Yeah, whatever. All right. So yeah, I'll just add in support. I'll just do it a little fast and loose, maybe, but whatever. So Shift Tab, bring that back out. Save that. All right. So we don't have to worry about scoring, which is nice because there's no scoring in write-ins. Write-in events don't have a scoring system. So we only really have to worry about tablature or tabulation, and yeah, so tabulation and that's pretty much it. Or data, like entries and tabulation. All right, so sorry. Huh. What to do? Sorry, I'm a little distracted right now. I'll be honest. When I just looked up on my other computer was like, what streams are online right now, and I don't know. I guess maybe there are just like a lot of interesting streams online right now, but mine was like really low on the list. I wasn't expecting to be as low on the list, and it's just like now all that's going through my mind is like, why is that happening? What did I do wrong? But I think it's just the way things go. So I probably shouldn't worry too much about that. I literally like I usually try and avoid all of that information because this is what it does to me. It just distracts me. So um, yeah, maybe it's because I'm working on a text game and so like my screen never looks interesting. I wonder if that's part of it. Uh, or maybe it's because I spend a bunch of time worrying about stupid stuff like this instead of deving. So so what then? Um, sorry, yeah. Right, I'm putting in the I'm putting in the system for write-ins. Uh, yeah, which it was actually very straightforward. Possibly like questionable in its merits, but straightforward will be one of its benefits. Um, Much straightforwardness will be had by all. Um, so at the point where we are adding in data, we have wait a second. Is this not? What's the? Oh, here it is. Okay, yeah. Sorry. All right. So if curve multi. Now we also check if curve dot write in write in, and in that case we so curve write in this case we do something, and then in the other case we do this thing that we did before. So yeah, okay. So I guess the one of the convenient things here is that it is just more straightforward. It's just really more straightforward. So yeah, we do need to do the if name not an edict thing, except now edict name equals dicts, and then if what if key. Oh wait. Oh no. This doesn't happen here. Whoops, I'm a silly person. Because write-in already has its own special section. All right, so no, yeah. All right, so that makes sense enough. I'm just gonna add the multi thing. Right. Okay. So now that stays the same. Right. Write-in already has its own separate section. And then so now I just have to do if current multi. So okay. So if. All right. I feel a little bit better about this now. Current multi. Then we do something, and then else we do the rest of this junk. All right. So I couldn't. The systems couldn't be too unified, anyways. No, they could have, but whatever. All right. So yeah. No. Here's what we do instead. So what do? We just say, oh yeah, so we still do the business about adding in edict. Oh wait. Yeah, no. Oh wait, no. Oh wait, we can still actually we can defer this a little bit further, actually. Whoops. We can put it in here. Yeah, we can actually put it as far as here. Whoops. All right. Right, because we still have to check if there's actually even anything in there. Oh, although this time we have to. Yeah. So whereas before we just added in the first one, now we have to loop over and add all of them. In a different way too. All right. So yeah. So if. So, if name not an edict, if name not an edict, edict name equals dict, and then once that's done, we can say edicts. Oops, e underscore dict. Name. Key. Or no, not key. Excuse me. Oh no, then we have to actually. Yeah, no. Now we have to say. We have to say. Because we have to do all of them. So for I equal, or for I in range 1 range 1 to what is it, n split, no, r search, len r search, len research, excuse me, research, edict name. What is it? Edict name research index I to lower. Equals 1, I guess. I don't know. Yeah. Ugh. It's the accountability for human behavior, because humans can do any number of weird things, and so I don't know if I necessarily like this, but it does account for human behavior, so the variability of human behavior. So, what are you complaining about? Invalid syntax. Oh, I forgot forgot this. All right, so oh, and now I have to just fix up the tabulation. So if cur of multi, and so yeah, now here we have if cur of right in. And yeah, in this case we can split it as such. So now we have to iterate over all of these dictionaries. All the dictionaries. So so addict. Yeah. So now for edict, for e key in edict keys for am I using addict or a key in for a key in edict e key edict e key dot keys a key addict a key so then we do the if a key not in addict oh yeah. Alright, so no, okay, the rest of this is fairly straightforward. Just weird premise, but whatever. Then addict a key equals 1 else addict a key plus equals 1 and a total equals, oh, I guess I don't really need a total. Actually, I could print a total. Why not? A total plus equals 1. Yeah, so like as it is now, I actually don't do anything with a total, but I think yeah, after we're done doing all of that, I think I'm gonna say rstr plus equals the string of a total. Just I don't know, for a long vote that could be that could save on some math. Yeah, so cool. Save that. And yeah. So now that should work, maybe? I don't know. Let's see what it does. So write in multi Excelsior. So like hat, cat, fat, bort, mort, jort, jort. So now those should all get added. Except only one got added. Why did only one get added? Why did only the first one get added? I'm clearly not looping correctly. Alright, well, let's see if multiple commands work. So, cat, hat, or oops, I did hat, fat. Alright, so it is accepting multiple write-ins, just not on the same line. So like chat, what, cat, All right, so yeah, it is working. It's just doesn't seem to be working for the for that for the yeah. So that's weird. I thought I accounted for that, but apparently not. So, case of write-in, case of multi, yeah, for I in range 1 to len research. I don't get it. Oh, whoopsie, I know, I'm not... I was just cramming the first one in there a million times over because I forgot to change that to research I. Alright, cool. That makes sense. So, multi write-in, Excelsior. It's like, bow, go, low, so, no, bow, no. Alright, so there's like a redundancy in there, so that the redundancy should get handled. Other than that, it should add 6 new ones. Yeah, cool. And then, so like, if this guy agrees with these, also says like cat, hat, bat, sat, gat, wat, then it should add a bunch more. Yay, look at that. 16 altogether. Those 4 got voted twice, and yeah, cool. Alright, so I feel like that's pretty good. Pretty good enough. And that's all that you do with write-ins, is like that. That's it. That's all of it. So, yeah. Cool. Alright, so now I'm done with all the features that I wanted to add in before adding in new visuals. So, I guess, yeah, I guess we might as well move on to that. Sorry. I should never have looked, because now I'm like, why are there so many? Are there good streamers on right now? And I guess there are probably just a lot of good streamers on right now, because like I've never seen this person before, and they have like a gazillion viewers. Sorry, I should stop. because this is really, I'm not going anywhere with this. Oh, interesting. He's a competitive TF2 streamer. All right, I really can't get distracted by that. I just have to keep on keeping on, stay the course, as it were. I should be like, hey Rift OC, welcome. How's it going? I was just getting distracted by stuff, but I'm doing things today and stuff's happening. So, yeah, I was just about to move on to so like I've been streaming for like 5 hours, 6 hours so far today, and I'm just now getting to the thing that I wanted to do today. So that's cool. Clearly I know how to prioritize. But I mean, the good news is we got a lot done today already, so we're in very good stead. Journey.py, yeah. Do you want to see it do stuff now? Because it can do stuff now, which is kind of cool. There's no journey.cs. I kind of wish there had been, because apparently, like, or like, Syngender was here. Syngender was here, and he made a bot in C#, which I'm now jealous about. But yeah, no, I don't know. This one's fine. This one's all good. So, yeah, I guess. I mean, at this point, I could actually shift JourneyBot over to the main channel now, cause yeah, I could shift JourneyBot over to the main channel now. Hmm. Maybe. Am I feeling that special to kind of puckish? Uh, I don't know. I mean, it'll still be going up and down a lot. No, it'll still be going up and down a lot, so it'd probably get annoying. Cause I'll probably yeah no, I won't move it over yet. Thank you, If Darcy. I appreciate that. I'll get started on it so that it can be in fact a real thing and everything. Uh, oh, I missed you, If Darcy. Uh, welcome back. Um, so yeah, so now the actual visuals, right? So it's probably I should probably reactivate visuals. Uh, oh, I wonder. Just for testing purposes, I might want to. Change. Like actually deactivate the admin panel because. um, Because like I used to deactivate the graphics because they would get in the way when I was trying to do other things. So I could deactivate the control panel for a little while I work on graphics, and then bring it back once it's all good and all in order. Uh, oh man! All right, so yeah, so new visuals. The thing that I want to work on today, the thing that I want to do for this project is I want to make it so that yeah, right now if I fired it up and I activated the visuals, it'd be a bunch of little dudes marching across the bottom of the screen, and that's all. They're just always there. They're just constantly marching. Um, oh yeah, okay. So there are a few things that I want to do for the few really easy first steps. I want to add in backgrounds. Not easy. I shouldn't say easy first steps, but there are some very obvious first steps. So for one thing, I want to add in a background, and I'm going to deactivate the this control panel because it's actually really easy to deactivate. Uh, I'll I'll set the initial. I'll set the. No, yeah, I'll just do the speed mode thing that I usually do. Maybe not quite as speedy. I'll do like 20 seconds, but whatever. Yeah. So yeah, no, actually the panel thread is really easy to deactivate because all I have to do is just comment out the thread in which it would get activated. Yes. Right? That works, right? Any weird errors? No. Oh. Huh. I don't think there are going to be any weird errors. I hope there aren't. Anyways, yeah. All right, so yeah, backgrounds. So instead of just like marching arbitrarily wherever across like across my desktop, I want to put in like I want to put in I want to just come up with like a few generic backdrops. I might just do one generic backdrop for starters, and it's basically just gonna be like a slide that like. So like if they're like the little dudes like marching across like the bottom of the screen, they'll just be like a backdrop that just like slowly ticks past, so it looks like they're actually like traveling a distance or whatever. And I think I want to make it like I think I want to make it uh, what's the thing parallax. I think I want to make it parallax, so like there's like a slight sense of perspective. I don't know how fancy I'll get with it, but like there are a few cheap things that we can do to make it look kind of nice. So I think I want to do that, and then sorry, my headphones make a weird squeaking noises, and I have no clue why it's doing that. Sorry, I'm just looking real quick. It's probably fine. All right, nothing to see here, nothing to worry about. Sorry, don't mind me. Okay, so yeah, maybe I'll just whip up the background real quick. Ooh, how do I want to do this? Because yeah. All right. Well, I guess this will be an interesting challenge. I guess I'll have to. Sorry, I'm pushing my laptop back so that I have room for my tablet. Oh, where's my cord? Need my tablet cord. Oh, here's. Alright. Alright, I'm gonna make good on this promise. I'm gonna make good on my promise to work on new visuals today. So far, the only new visuals are the fact that I'm wearing a shirt, which, to be honest, is actually why I made the title New Visuals. It's a new visual aesthetic going on over here. Seems significant enough. Anyways, sorry, I'm still connecting my tablet. Probably should have done this earlier, but whatever. There we are. Oops. Oh my gosh. I need a new micro USB. Oh my gosh, wow. Yeah, my micro USB cable is literally falling apart, like, as I try and plug it in. Like, little pieces are just, like, flecking off of it. It's probably not a good sign. Still works, though. Well enough. Alright, so... Oh, yeah, what are my dimensions here? So, technically I make the height 320. So the width is 1600. I make the height 320, although... I don't think I'm actually going to be using the full height, because the full height, like, the full height actually takes up a lot of space, right? Like, if I don't use the color key, like, that's how high 320 is. So I don't think I actually want to take up that much space. Oh, well, no. Okay, so I don't want to take up that much space with the background, but I might want to take up that much space with, like, some of the other information. I don't know. I'll leave it tall for now. But, yeah, no, the backdrop is actually going to be only, like, I don't know, probably not even half that. So closer to, like, 120-ish or something. How tall are the little dudes? Little dude guys are... Oh, I can close some of these windows. I have so many things open on my, my taskbar that it's actually, like, wrapping around. And, I can unpin a lot of stuff, actually. Alright, that's way better. Yeah, so my task, so yeah, my little dudes open, so like the other new visuals that I want, so yeah, so the backgrounds are one thing that I want to add, and I'm probably not going to get to all this today, but some of the other stuff I want to add is, a lot of new character art. I want it to be clear that, I want a sense of character progression. So, like, as you play the game, you get, like, your character gets cooler and cooler, and you get, like, new stuffs or whatever's, and you gain experience and you become a more seasoned adventurer. So yeah, what adventure? What size is this? 32 pixels tall. So, yeah, if I want 120, like, that's going to give me a lot of space. So, let's just for starters, I'm going to make something really, really simple. So, I'm just going to do, file, new, width is going to be 1600. It's going to go all the way across the screen. And then the height is going to be, I don't know, like, I'll say, like, I'll make both of the slides a height of like 150, just in case I want something really tall in the foreground. Like I might want to, so like for example, one of the backdrops might be like a tropical, and so maybe the backdrop is like a beach and a sunset tableau, but maybe the foreground is like trees that like stick up actually taller, like palm trees or something, right? So like the background tableau ticks by very slowly actually, but the trees in the front are much taller. And actually, I guess I should do 3 layers because there might be a permanent backdrop that doesn't do that. Like if I want to do like no, I guess I don't want to do sky because I don't know, that would be weird with perspective. All right. Well, thanks for stopping by, Rift JC. See you again sometime, I hope. Yeah, let's let's do that. Um, sorry. Wow, I just like picked a huge chunk off my micro USB cable. RIP micro USB cable. Um, so, yeah. Yeah, so, right, so, sorry, spaced out a little bit. Width of 1600 and height of, what did I say, like 150 is probably like I probably don't want to go higher than 150. I probably don't even want to use 150. So, get rid of, whoops, no, backspace, yeah, there we go. And then, yeah, so let's save this as, for starters, I'm just going to save it as, well, I can overwrite this background. So this will be just background. Well, no, I'll just get rid of this one, actually. I don't need that one anymore. I'll just say background BG0. And then, like, so the front layer will be 0, the next layer will be 1, and then the last layer will be 2. So BG0.ping, sure. And then, right, so let's see how, just for scale, I'm going to see how big a little duder is. Whoops, so all copy, paste. Yeah, I'm just going to put a few of the, whoops, what are we doing? I'm just going to put a few of these duders along the bottom, just to keep a sense of scale. So, paste a few more of these little guys. Actually, copy paste. Well, whatever. Yeah, just it doesn't have to be perfect. They're basically just there to so I remember how big to make everything relatively. Yeah. All right. So now. So the first background, just like the temp art background, is going to be fairly simple. It's just going to be like, I don't know, it'll probably be very simple. Like, I'm just thinking something like vaguely mountainous, because like mountains are easy. You just like draw a brown shape, and then you make it, just draw a brown shape, and then you make it spiky, and then ta-da, you have mountains. Alright, so paintbrush tool. Let's give it some width. And then, doop-a-doop. Oops, that was probably too high, but whatever. Oops. Alright, look, we're almost done. Alright, so color those in, or like fill those in so that there are not gaps. And then did I fill that in correctly? I should probably zoom in a little bit and like scroll across just for the cleanup work. Yeah. I should put this, I'm just gonna move this out here, maybe? No, that doesn't work. Move it up here, maybe? Yeah, I don't know, good enough for now. Alrighty then. Color and stuff in. Alright, so yeah, these, oh, here, I'll just, I can make this slightly more interesting than like, so completely boring. It's just gonna be like slightly rocky. There can be some parts that are less rocky than others, and then maybe they'll just have like a few boulders here and there. And I can add like a slight amount of depth to this too. And there could be some parts that like stick up a little higher, I guess. And then, yeah, it's just some parts that are just like a little whatever. I don't know. I'm not an artist, but I play one on Twitch TV. I'm never gonna get tired of that joke. Are you guys ever gonna get tired of that joke? Because I'm just gonna keep using it. And then, I don't know, maybe there's like There's like a. Oh, I shouldn't make anything too distinct, because if I make something too like